Hey, Mailchimp wizards and new learners, welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will dive into Mailchimp and learn how to add columns to your email campaigns. Columns are a great way to organize your content and make your emails more visually appealing. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and could now wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now, before we go to the uh, interface itself, let me just tell you that there are important reasons when creating adding columns to your Mailchimp account, right? So, number one, it allows you to organize content in a structured manner, making it easier for subscribers to read and digest your emails. Information presented in columns is visually appealing and less overwhelming than long, unbroken blocks of text. And columns help you to create visually appealing emails by using text and images, showcase products listing, or present content side by side. A well designed email is more likely to grab your subscribers' attention, and it allows you to organize your content logically. You can use them to separate different sections of your email, such as header, featured products, testimonials, and a call to action, making it clear and easy for subscribers to follow the message flow. Columns can be used to highlight important information. You can place key points, offers, or promotions in a prominent position, increasing these chances of your subscribers noticing in engaging with them. And the responsive design ensures that emails with columns adapt well to different screen sizes, including mobile devices. This ensures that your email looks good and is readable on smartphones and tablets, which is crucial as many people check emails on mobile devices. So, and last, for brand consistency, columns can help maintain the brand consistency in your email campaigns when you can format columns with the brand's color, fonts, and styles, and reinforcing your brand identity with every email you send. Now, all you gotta do is go to campaigns, and then here, and actually you can check the emails here. You can hover down to where it says emails, and then you can click edit, and then where it says edit, and you can go to where it says it should have like create templates here if you don't have one, and then when you click the Mailchimp newsletter template, it will redirect you to different styles. Let's say block text. Some are like a different dividers and stuff, and then you can manually create and custom set the columns, the headers, the fonts, the image. You can actually add your images or logos into the template that you are creating. And just like that, thank you for joining us today. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more email chimps tutorial, and leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Until next time, happy day, great day everyone. Peace.